In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook post in Canva. Alright, so I'm starting here on my browser, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to Canva. I'll just type it into the address bar, hit enter, and wait for it to load. Once I'm on the Canva homepage and logged in, I'm ready to start creating the design. So from here, I'm going to click on templates. I see it right here, so I'll go ahead and click on that. And now I'm on a page with a lot of different design categories. There's a bunch of options, so what I'm going to do next is use the search bar to find exactly what I need. I'll click into the search bar and type Facebook post, then hit enter. Once that loads, Canva shows me a bunch of templates specifically designed for Facebook posts. You can scroll through these and see different styles. Some are simple, some are more colourful, so just take a second and look for one that fits what you want. Alright, I'm just scrolling through here. And once I find a template I like, I'll click on it. If you prefer, you can also start from a blank design, but I'm going to pick a template to make things quicker. So I'll click on this one, and now I see the option that says customize this template. I'm going to click that. Now I'm inside the editor, and this is where I can start making changes. So I'll click on the text, highlight it, and type in my own content. You can do this with any text box you see, just click and replace it with whatever you want. I'm just going through each section, updating it one by one. Once that's done, I can also customize the design. I can click on images, shapes, or backgrounds and adjust them. I might move things around a little, resize elements, or just tweak the layout so it looks better. I'm just clicking and dragging here, making small changes until everything feels right. At this point, I'm just continuing to customize the design. I might change colors, adjust spacing, or swap out elements. It's really flexible, so you can keep it simple or make it more detailed depending on what you need. I'll just keep going until I'm happy with how everything looks. Once that's done and I'm satisfied with the design, I'm going to move to the top right and click on Share. That opens up a menu with different options, and from here I'm going to click on Download. Now I'll choose the format if needed and then go ahead and download the file. Once I click download, Canva processes it and saves it to my device, and that's it. My Facebook post is now ready to use. So yeah, just go to Canva, click on templates, search for Facebook post, choose a template or start from blank, click customize this template, customize your design, then click share and download. It's a really smooth process, and you can create something that looks great in just a few minutes.